Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to accept a channel invitation on Facebook. Whether you're new to this feature or just need a quick refresher, follow along as we break it down step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you've received the channel invitation. Once inside, look for the messages icon, which is usually located at the top of your screen. Tap on it to access your recent conversations. Next, locate the menu icon within the app. This is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your device. Tap on the menu to reveal additional options. From here, scroll down and select Channel Invitations. This section is dedicated to managing any invitations you've received for Facebook channels. Now, you'll see a list of channel invitations. If you're looking for a specific channel, use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly locate it. Type in the name of the channel and tap on it once it appears in the results. Finally, tap on Join to accept the invitation. Once you've joined the channel, you'll gain access to its content and updates instantly. And that's it. You've successfully accepted a channel invitation on Facebook in just a few easy steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance.